Who out there would consider themselves nerds? You see, that's a pretty good show, but you're at BATTLEMAGE Brewing, so you're all
We are BATTLEMAGE Brewing on the verge of our 1-year anniversary, which is going to be today.
This is going to be a ticketed event today that is already actually sold out. We're doing 2 sessions. It's a afternoon and evening session. Each are 4 hours.
One's at noon, one's at 5. Just to kind of control the flow. We don't want a ton of people just rushing the bar all at one time. So doing it in 2 sessions kind of, allows us to control it a little bit better.
Because we've been to way too many anniversaries where you can have something be too successful and you can oversell the tickets. And while that would bring in more revenue for us, I think it's important that we do everything we can to create a really positive experience for all of our patrons today. So you don't have to wait 20 minutes in line to get a beer. We want everything to flow really well. And we'd rather have people have the best experience possible rather than just make the most amount of money in the day that we can on this.
We do have security. Some regulars that also work security for some other breweries coming in, control the revelry.
We have Full Metal Burgers coming in today, summoning burgers from the depths of Hades itself. Yeah.
If you've been to other breweries in North County, you've probably seen them around.
We've got Swifthammer Leather. He's a local leather worker who's going to be doing demonstrations throughout the day and selling awesome handcrafted leather like this fucking bracer right here.
Yeah, we got the Dread crew of Oddwood coming. We saw them at the Viking Festival, I think a couple years ago was the first time. We play them in the brewery all the time. Having them come out is gonna make it awesome.
I would describe them as acoustic pirate metal, and they have a great stage performance, so I'm excited. I think they're gonna make sure the crowd has a really good time.
It's very fitting for the vibe that we got going on, like the tavern kind of feel.
Yeah. We have the legendary Styx Guru, who also happens to be my brother, may make an appearance and use his buffs of haste and dexterity to defy gravity. And,
with weapons.
We don't know what he's gonna do yet, but it's gonna be magical.
We have a handful of specialty stuff on tap. We got a 1-year aged version of Hooded Assassin Old Ale, a 6-month aged, and a 2-month aged. You can do a vertical flight of all 3 of them. We also have Goblin King number 4, which is our barrel aged series. It's a braggot that we did in collaboration with Twisted Horn that we aged in whiskey barrels and then blending that with Hooded Assassin also.
I feel great. It's been an amazing adventure so far. Exceeded all expectations. I think we're gonna have an awesome party today. It'll be fun to kind of give back to all the loyal patrons that have come in and made this possible.
Helping us make our dreams come true.
But yeah.
We're excited.
It'll be a fun adventure. I think it's gonna be like an anniversary that no one's ever been to. It's gonna feel like you're walking into this mystical quest that you're on for the day. It's like that excited kind of nervous, like the first day of school. Like, didn't sleep super well last night, but it's more excitement than anything.
I just want to thank all the patrons, obviously, that have been coming in since day one and, have heard about us and are just into what we're trying to do, create a fun experience, make good beers. All the friends and family that are helping us out today, pouring. We got our wives pouring. Security, who's patrons as well, but always helping out.
Yeah, I'd like to thank my wife's sister, flew all the way out from Boston to help us with this. I mean, the wives have obviously been supportive throughout the whole process, and they're gonna be crucial today. I'd like to thank our only employee, Maddie, who's, I'm sure, gonna knock it out of the park today. She's been doing a great job. Definitely a good asset to the team. I would definitely say we're ramping up distribution quite a bit. We have a delivery van now, so if you see a wizard conjuring spells on a van driving by, that would be us. And look for axe-like tap handles in your local tasting room. We got about 20 accounts now, and we're gonna more than double that this next year. I'd say we're like 60 to 70.
Yeah, here less, more doing like sales stuff, deliveries already, which is takes a good amount of time out of the day, like doing a delivery down to PB It takes like 3 hours minimum.
I'd like to thank my brother, Mike, the legendary sticks guru. Yeah, a famous juggler, and it's nice to have someone like that in the family when you own a medieval themed brewery.
Sorry, that's gonna pick up my laughing.